Okay then, so we're going to look now at accidentals. So accidentals are these different symbols that you see placed in front of notes, which change the pitch of them. So the sort of normal accidental, or the, sort of what you think is a white note on the keyboard, is this funny looking one here. It's a little bit like a sort of squash square with a couple of little flicks or tails off it. It's called a natural. So that's a natural sign, and that means a normal, if you like, natural normal white note on the kind of keyboard. So if I show you here, you can see that that comes out as a white note on the keyboard. What you've got next to it here in this question is a flat. Now flats literally mean to flatten the sound, or to lower it ever so slightly. So flats are lower than naturals. And if you watch, once I click on the flat here, you'll see that it goes to the black note just to the left of the white note. So natural, flat. That makes a natural slightly higher in pitch than the flat. So in this question here that says draw a circle around the lower note of these pairs, you'd be putting a circle around the flat sign here. Okay, the other symbol that we've got to deal with here is this one here, which looks a bit like a hashtag, but it's not. This is a sharp, and sharp is actually the opposite to the flat. So from the natural, or normal if you like, the sharp sharpens or raises the note in pitch. So this example here is in the bass clef down here. So if I click first of all actually on the natural, you'll see that comes low down on the piano keyboard here. And now I click on the sharp, you'll see it's going to go just to the right, rising in pitch ever so slightly. So sharp, natural. That means that in pitch order, flats are lower than naturals and naturals are lower than sharps. One final little thing here is that these notes are all what we call one semitone apart. So a semitone in music is the smallest possible gap between two notes. So from natural to sharp is a semitone, and from natural to flat is a semitone. Okay, so the only other thing about these grade 1 theory questions is you just got to read it carefully and notice whether you're circling the lower note or the higher note. Don't get that the wrong way round. Usually half the question, 5 of the questions are for a lower one, and 5 of them, like this one, are for a higher one. So you could now have a little look and a study of this question here and have a little go at it. So that is accidentals, naturals, flats and sharps.